Right, today we're going to pull apart a 620 single acting positioner without feedback so I can show you its internal construction. From left to right we've got the IP, then this is the amplifier, also called a relay, then this is the terminal box, this is the base, and inside the base is the travel sensor, and this is the main board, the one with the microprocessor on it. On the front of the main board here is the air pressure sensor, and over here are the 2 pin sockets for the IP. Right, so these are the 2 pins for the IP which plug into these holes, allowing it to pick up the drive signal sent from the main board. Right, these are the 3 seals for the air pressure sensor. Just press them into their corresponding positions and then connect the cable at the back, and that's it. Then on the back of this main board there are 2 pin connectors and a toggle switch. The connector marked sensor at the top is for the travel sensor. Generally, just follow the diagram on the left and plug all 5 pins in. The one on the right is for the positioner body and the one below is for the terminal box. So over here, this is the terminal box cable and this is the connection cable for the travel sensor. Just plug them into the correspondent ports. Right, and another thing is this terminal box here. These are the 2 terminals on the terminal box and it's marked loop. Just connect them up according to the positive and negative polarity and you'll be able to receive the signal from central control. Below are the one-touch calibration button and the write protect button. You'll need to enable the corresponding settings in the handheld communicator for them to work. Right, that's a quick overview of the inside of the positioner.